Hey guys.
Hey.
Welcome back to my channel. This is my very good friend Kayla.
Hello.
So
Yeah, okay.
It's gonna be a two-part video. So my video on my channel is going to be a day look, and then if you head over to Kaylah Acero's page, it's gonna be the night look. So if you want to see how we created our day looks, stay watching in 3, 2, 1.
So this is usually what I use. Hydrolonic.
Yeah. I don't know.
Literally bought it because it's moisture. And my face needs that during the winter time. Get away.
Oh, there we go. Kind of.
No.
No.
There you go. There you go. Oh, it takes an army to do that. Okay. Moon pump. Do you want to use it?
Yes, please.
Okay. And then I use the antioxidant facial serum. Both of these products, I don't even know where I went, are from Trader Joe's. And I know, super random, but you know what? Trader Joe's has great food and great skincare products.
This, who would have thunk?
Yeah. You can eat while you get your makeup. So we're going natural, right?
Yeah.
So
This is a day look.
I'm going to be using a new product. Well, it's new to me.
And I'm going to be using my Fenty foundation.
This is... When did you first start wearing makeup?
I started maybe a year and a half ago, I want to say. Not too long ago.
Did you not wear it in high school?
No, not really.
Oh, you mean like on the day?
No, like in high school I wore maybe like a powder foundation with blush, and I curled my lashes.
Ooh.
Yeah. I had to. Every day I had to curl my lashes just so I'd look like I was awake. I wasn't into makeup at all. Like whenever I had to do my makeup, I would ask my sister or like my cousin to do it.
Oh, I see.
And they're like, you need to learn how to do it yourself. We're not always going to be there for you to do it for you.
I'm like, but don't you love
I
it?
was like,
I used to try, I remember in middle school I tried to like contour my face for the first time, and this was before contouring was a thing.
Yeah.
Tyra Banks showed me how to do this on the Tyra Banks show.
yeah.
Where like you do the like 3 here.
Mm-hmm.
And
That's how I learned too.
Mm-hmm. So like I did that, but the bronzer I used, I put way too much on the brush.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know the little tap tap secret.
Yeah.
So yeah, I ended up having like, I came to school with like orange skin. Luckily it was coincidentally I think it was Halloween.
How funny.
So I was an Oompa Loompa.
Eyeshadow done. I'm gonna prime.
Oh.
Oh. You can use mine if you want.
Okay. I think I'm gonna do a pinky look.
Okay. I don't know what kind of look I'm going for yet. Probably some neutrals. Instead of eyeliner during the day, I like to use eyeshadow and just thicken up my lash line.
Ooh.
Which is kind of like the same thing, right?
Yes. But I feel like eyeliner always gives you a different look.
Yeah.
In a sense. I usually just end up doing, actually, hold on. If I'm in a rush, I will just do mascara. If I have time, I do eyeliner. But like, when I say time, I mean like an extra minute or 2.
An extra minute.
Yeah.
Curl my lashes, mascara, some highlighter, and I'm good to go.
Why did you do my brows?
Oh yeah, my brows. those things.
So are we even really done yet? Just kidding. This is Nomi.
The loose highlighter.
Yes. Well, I guess if we're doing, I
use highlighter.
I
For
do
a day
too.
look.
But well, yeah, I did use this today, so that's a lot. And I always like to use a blending brush to apply. Do you use the feathered brush?
I used to use it, but I felt like it didn't pick it up as much with the cream highlighter.
Oh yeah.
So I just used my fingers. Were you making a face?
Yeah, I was.
Yeah, I'm done.
I did a pinky look, as you can see. So I used a kind of like coral color in the inner crease, and I put that on before I even did any other eyeshadow. And then I switched over to this other coral color. This was called Deer. And I thought it was going to be like a brownish, but it's more orangish. And I kind of like put that on the outer corner, and I realized it was getting a little bit too dramatic for me, and that's not what I normally do during the day. So I had to like make it a little bit more subtle, and I used Dainty and Chick to just kind of tone it down, since these are more, don't look at my nails, since these are, I'll go like this, since these are more neutrals. And yeah, I ended up using this color, Missy, which is a purple matte, as eyeliner. And that's pretty much it for the eyes. My lips, I got Doozy. And other than that, that's pretty much Nomi. So, okay, now I'm gonna go to Holly.
Hey! Okay, so, my look was mostly in the Charlotte Bloom palette. And I started with a really light neutral, that one is called Smarty Pants, all over the lid. I used Rocker, that one right there, all over the lid. Oh, and then I used that Rebel, that red brown, on the outer corners. And then on the inside, just a little funny girl to make it pop. Well, I hope you guys liked our looks. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe, and head over to Kaylah's channel for the next video, and I'll link it down for you guys below.
Bye!